Hi everyone, Dr. Kerry Yerke here. Today I'm going to go over yesterday's Carb Manager entry. And the goal for me is to go from 213 down to 192 pounds. And I've gone from 213 down to around the 204 to 206 level. Would like to get under 200 by Canadian Thanksgiving, which is going to be October 7th weekend. That's when I go back to Winnipeg, where I'm from, to visit family. So that's my initial goal. And then the next goal beyond that by the end of October is to get down to the 192 level. So let's just take a look at yesterday. Protein 91.6, 128 fat, 1895 for calories, 79.8 for carbs, 20 fiber, 106.6 for total carbs. So I did pretty good there. Could have eaten a little more protein. Didn't have the shake yesterday. That would help me, and I'm going to have a shake as soon as we're done here. And as we're getting late in the day, and I haven't had my shake today yet. My net values are well within limits. Yesterday was Wednesday, so the net calories 1135, so that's excellent. I had for lunch tuna, a small tin. I had pepperoni. It's one of those small pepperellis. I had a Greek salad, some cheese with it, and I had one piece of cheese. So I'm going to take one of these out because there's a double entry here. So I'm just going to remove that. I had peanuts. I had some chipotle ranch dressing with the salad and some extra dark chocolate with that. So a good start to the day there at 12:42. Chicken, this should have been with my dinner actually. So let's just see right here. Here's my dinner. It was entered in the wrong area. I'm going to put this into snack one just so we keep it all together. So you can see it's pretty easy to edit and move things around. So that's going to go into snack one. Now, I didn't eat a lot during the day yesterday. We went out for dinner after, and I had chicken with some mixed vegetables, Trader Joe's Thai yellow curry sauce. I put that in because it's the closest thing to the curry dish I had, with 2/3 of a cup of rice. Lots of net carbs there in this meal. So that was pretty high for net carbs. So want to be careful with eating out at that restaurant and eating that dish again for sure. Had some sausage and capicola for a snack. That was totally fine. Very low net carb, high in protein, which is good for me. And had some milk with dark chocolate and a chocolate chip cookie. And that was later in the day. That was a little bit, that was towards about 7 or 8 o'clock. So that's what I had there. I was fairly active yesterday, 7,800 steps, 760 calories I burned. And water, lots of water, so that was good. So in all, a good day, even though I went out for dinner. Turned out pretty good. And today's going well. Today's interesting as well, and I'm just going to show you that quickly. So today I had, actually went bike riding this morning with my wife. Had 4 cups of water this morning. Had a quarter of a muffin because I knew I shouldn't eat much of that, so I had a quarter. Had a croissant with an egg, cheddar, and ham on it, and I had half of a croissant. I shared that with my wife, so high in net carbs there for the croissant, so I was careful with that too. Then for a snack, I had fresh raspberries, some light cream, and some black coffee. Then for another snack, now my son and I met for lunch, and for lunch I had a quesadilla, half of one. I gave the other half to my wife. This is later in the day, with some pinto beans, cilantro, jalapenos on it. I had 10 nacho chips, some sour cream, and some hot salsa. So all of that with some dark chocolate after that added up to 52 net carbs, 19 protein, 36 fat, 649 calories. I just had one of those biscottis with coffee, so I'm going to enter that right now. So one of those Biscoff cookies, so I'm going to enter that and show you that. So it's called Biscoff. Just going to put the screen on hold here. All right, here we go. So the two Biscoff and the black coffee. So I had that. Still doing okay. That's not a bad snack. So so far today, with a couple hours to go, I've had 33 protein, 65 fat, 1128 calories, 91 net carbs. So that's over for sure. 111 total and 16 fiber. Now I'm going to have a smoothie that's going to boost up my numbers, but where did the carbs come from? The quarter of a muffin, the quesadilla itself, 21, the nacho chips, the 10 chips, 18.3, so definitely didn't need that. Could add 5, that would have helped. And the Biscoff cookies, 11 net carbs, could add 1. So could have improved there. Still doing well, but I do want to move the needle this week, a couple more pounds down. So I didn't get much exercise other than riding my bike this morning. Haven't done a workout or cardio yet. So we'll see how that goes for the rest of the day. Going to have my smoothie. That could be it for meals today because we're getting close to 5:30. I've got until 7 p.m. to eat. So that's how that's going. If you guys have any questions, comment below or you can DM me. Also, I'm writing a book on weight loss, getting healthy, and back and joint pain. So it's going to be a sequel to my book called The 100-Day Diet. I'm just working on that. Should have some pre-sales out later this month, early next month. So if you want to follow me here, I'll be talking more about writing the book and the content and my own personal weight loss and how I've helped clients with it. So please follow me here on social media and on YouTube, and I'll talk to you soon.